This is the dashboard. In this video, we take a little ride around the sports and entertainment complex in downtown Jacksonville. On this day, there were several events going on at the same time, two of which were Monster Jam at the football stadium and hockey at the arena. Both major draws on a Saturday night. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way. Should have stayed in the outside lane. Of course, I can still get there. Nothing was coming.
Got the trolley running.
Yep. Here.
Yeah.
He said he didn't want to pay 20. Down to the distillery or not?
Yeah, I reckon. So if you want to turn at the light and go around that way, I don't care.
I think I'll go down to the distillery. Except for that being a problem.
He's trying to get rides. Maybe he'll take the turn lane.
Well, if he ain't, I'm taking the double lane.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have trouble getting out here tonight too, looks like.
Yeah, at the moment. Of course, I had kind of figured to go out the other way tonight.
Oh, okay.
Because that's the only way we're probably going to be able to go out.
There was parking at Manifest.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.